Ni hao. Hello in Mandarin Chinese. Welcome to Chinese Home Cooking Weeknight Show. Our demonstration today is ginger and green onion Argentina red shrimp holiday special. Let's get started.
Here's the list of ingredients.
Before we start cooking, let's work on the preparation of the ingredients. 24 ounces frozen raw Argentina red shrimp with no heads and with no shells, defrosted, patted dry with paper towel. These are well-caught shrimp. They taste like lobster. Very delicious. We're going to marinate the shrimp with half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of Chinese cooking wine. You can use dry sherry as the substitute. Mix well and set aside. 10 pieces green onion, green part only, cut into 2-inch length. 2 ounces fresh ginger root, skin removed, cut into very thin strips, about 2-inch in length. Cornstarch mixture, 1 tablespoon cornstarch mixed with 4 tablespoons chicken broth. Mix well. 4 tablespoons cooking oil. We finished the preparation. Now we are ready to cook. I am turning on the electric wok to 350 degrees, which is high heat for the electric stove or medium to high heat for the gas stove. I am adding 4 tablespoons cooking oil to let it heat for 1 minute until the oil is hot. It's been a minute. The oil is hot. We are going to cook the ginger and green onion for 1 minute until the green onion is wilted. It's been a minute. The green onion is wilted. We are going to cook the shrimp for 2 minutes until the shrimp shrinks about half the size and is no longer transparent. It's been 2 minutes. The shrimp has shrunk to about half of the size and it's no longer transparent. Now we are going to add our cornstarch mixture to cook for 1 minute until the sauce is thickened and everything is coated well. It's been a minute. The sauce is thickened and everything is coated well with the sauce. It is done. Enjoy.
Let's have a quick review of what we done.
I hope you enjoy this dish, which is fast, affordable, and tasty. Happy home cooking. I look forward to seeing you again very soon.